Everybody, this is Jen Paterson from Iron and Pearl. I am the in-house money coach, and I am here with the whole Iron and Pearl team, our fearless leader Alex, and our lovely advisor Brittany, and we are here to talk to you guys about critical illness insurance. So I've got 2 kids. Can they get covered? Because I know that I've got friends who've had children that have been diagnosed with cancer, and that's a big issue for me.
Totally. Yeah. And that's something that just breaks my heart. Like every time I see a GoFundMe page for a child who has been diagnosed with something that is a critical illness, that's just it's honestly heart-wrenching. So for both my children, I got critical illness insurance policies. I actually have like a favorite product for our children. So with adults, we're often looking at like what the best fit is and the best price. For children, there is like a go-to critical illness insurance product. So it's a permanent policy. So it's going to cover your child from when they have it in place up until the day they die. And it is fully paid for in 20 years, or there's an option to fully pay for it in 20 years. So I put the coverage in place, fully paid for in 20 years. And there is also an additional option for those children's policies for some specific children-only diagnoses. So things like autism and childhood diabetes, for example, are covered. So there's like an additional option for that, or you can just get the basic one, which covers the same conditions as the adult policies. Some companies will have an option to add critical illness insurance for your child as an option on a parent's policy. And in some cases, that could just be a flat rate for all your children. Often it's going to be a rate per child. So that's if you weren't in a budget position to get individual critical illness insurance policies for your children, you could add them onto your life insurance policy, for example, and then add some options for life insurance and critical illness insurance for your children. And that'll cover them up until they're an adult. And then they'd have to get their own policy.